Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to autofill weekdays, exclude weekends in a list of Google Sheet. In Microsoft Excel we can easily fill weekdays only and exclude the weekends by using autofill options. But in Google Sheet there is no feature for us to fill weekdays as quickly as in Excel. In Google Sheet you can apply the following formula to fill weekdays only as you need. Below your date, select a blank cell and type equal. Select your starting date plus use if condition formula and also with the help of weekdays. Press tab, and if your weekdays, your starting cell, if the weekday is greater than 5, then add 3 with the starting weekday. Otherwise add 1 with the starting weekday. Close the bracket, press enter, and then drag the autofill handle down to the cells that you want to fill the weekdays, and only the serial weekdays are filled into the column as following. And you can see we have 5 weekdays and the 2 weekends are excluded, and again we have 5 weekdays and the 2 weekends are excluded. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.